Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. I believe in one thing, that only a life lived for others is a life worth living, where the world ceases to be the scene of our personal hopes and wishes, where we face it as free beings admiring, asking, observing. There we enter the realm of art and science. Although I am a typical loner in daily life, my consciousness of belonging to the invisible community of those who strive for truth, beauty, and justice has preserved me from feeling isolated. Look deep into nature, then you will understand everything better. All religions, arts, and sciences are branches of the same tree. Table, chair, a bowl of fruit, and a violin. What else does a man need to be happy? He who can no longer pause to wonder, stand wrapped in awe, is as good as dead. His eyes are closed. A happy man is too satisfied with the present to dwell too much on the future. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the university. For even more inspiration, don't miss these life is short quotes that will encourage you to live to the fullest. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them.